Some people believe that chronic knee pain is a life sentence, suffering through pain relievers and injections while the pain keeps getting worse, until everyday activities become unbearable and life becomes a series of disappointments. Well, the good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. Meet Apos, a knee treatment based on a shoe that is personally tailored to shift the pressure away from the knee's pain zones. By wearing them for as little as an hour a day, the muscles develop better movement patterns and the pain subsides. Apos can be done at home while going about your normal routine, while working on a computer, cooking, talking on the phone, or watching TV. And it is FDA cleared, clinically proven, and has a 96% satisfaction rate with patients. Apos helps people move better and live better, and get back to doing the things they love. To learn more, visit www.startapos.com.